Hello and welcome to the Tableau UI Kit, the only Figma UI kit created exclusively for Tableau. Elevate your analytics workflow by designing more efficiently and consistently, all while scaling effortlessly. Now, before I jump into a demo of creating a dashboard using the UI kit, let's walk through what you'll be getting. You have a getting started page, which is some documentation to help you. We have 24 expertly crafted examples. We have everything related to color, typography, spacing and radius, icons. Now, this is the Tableau UI related components, so filters, parameters. We have other, so highlighter, legends, pages. And these are the chart related components. So, we have area charts, bar charts, etc. I'm going to go through all of these quickly, but if you want more of a deep dive to look at each of these pages individually, you can just visit the Tableau UI Kit website and go to the preview in Figma button at the top, and you'll be able to look through these pages yourself. We have the dashboard related components, so avatar, badge, button group, button, chips, a new dashboard component, headings, and then we have two miscellaneous pages at the bottom. So let's create an example. Let's build a dashboard quickly for you. Now, there's a couple ways you can build a dashboard using the UI kit. One way is to just use the dashboard component. Look up dashboard, drag it on, and you instantly get a dashboard. Obviously, you don't have to use the dashboard component. You can take everything, all of the individual components and combine them together. And that's, totally up to you. But just for the sake of this demo, I like being quick. Now, for this specific example, I want some navigation. So I could do sidebar navigation here. And I want this to be a customers dashboard. So I want it to be on customers. So if I can just jump into customers real quick, I can say this is active, this is not active. Great. I want the title to be customers overview. And the subtitle could be financial breakdown of all customers. Now the heading should be pretty simple just because it's this example. I don't really need buttons. I don't need an icon. And what charts do I want? I just want this simple for the sake of this. Now I only want two charts. I can say I want two horizontal, and I want a bar chart and a line chart. And just like that, you get a nicely formatted dashboard, and you can customize this as much as you want. Just for the sake of this demo, I wanted to articulate how quickly you can get a nicely formatted dashboard up and running. And if I click on this, it scales properly. You can go into the bar chart and customize it however you want. You can take the line chart, do whatever you want with it. Um, and obviously, let's say, for example, you really love dark mode. Thanks to some of the new Figma features and with the release of the Tableau UI Kit 3.0, dark mode is now a possibility, which I'm really excited to announce. So if I go to appearance here, color modes, light, nothing changes, but you'll see there's a new color modes option. And I can quickly just change it to dark mode. So not only do you have the light mode, which is the default, you can instantly change to dark mode for any dashboard that you create, which is, I think it's really exciting because dark mode and light mode is a really great thing to have for your users. And like I mentioned before, you don't have to use the dashboard component. You can build everything yourself. You can go into each of these components, customize them to your own brand guidelines. And then when a user or a designer comes into a new file and enables the Tableau UI Kit 3.0 library, they can just drag in the components and it'll look exactly how you change them in the file. So it's really great for building a full-blown Tableau design system across your organization. Now, I know that was a quick demo, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Really appreciate it. Thank you.